Here we are working on Joe's Corvette again. RideTech True Turn System. Here, come show this part. This is what they call the center link adapter, drag link adapter. And what they're doing is bringing tie rods up. Well, what they want to do, most people will lower the car so the suspension will come up this way, because you want your tie rods level with the ground as you're doing this. Because as these angles increase, this acts on your steering arm and changes your toe. It's called bump steer. But since we're not lowering the car and these are already pointed up, we're going to take this back out and put the tie rods onto the original drag link. And so you can see we got the spindles and all that hooked up. It's pretty nice stuff. Oh, we did run into a problem on this side, and I did do some research on the internet and found this is not an isolated problem. It's a clearance right here. Can you see that? Joe had to trim that with the A-arm clearance. Apparently they didn't put that in the instructions. You have to clearance that a little bit. But other than that, everything's lining up pretty good. All right, what do you think? This is Joe's car. What do you think, Joe? Cut, drill, weld, make it work.